Most gardeners plant leafy greens to feed their families, but what if I told you one crop could feed your soil, your wallet, and your plate, all in under 5 weeks? That crop is Swiss chard, or as some call it, spinach's faster, stronger cousin. Let's break down how this humble green goes from seedling to profit faster than almost any vegetable you'll grow. Spinach bolts fast and hates the heat. Swiss chard? It doesn't care. It thrives in both cool and mild warmth, gives continuous harvests, and can regrow for months from a single planting. Farmers call it the cut-and-come-again money leaf, but here's the best part. It's market-ready in just 30 to 35 days. So, how do you get off to the perfect start? Start with deep trays or recycled containers at least 3 inches deep. Swiss chard hates shallow roots. Mix equal parts compost, cocoa peat, and garden soil. You want loose, moist, oxygen-rich soil. Sow 2 to 3 seeds per hole, cover lightly, and mist. Don't drench. In 4 to 5 days, you'll see tiny red or green stems poking through. Here's the secret to fast growth. Once seedlings are 3 inches tall, transplant them into containers, beds, or grow bags spaced about 8 inches apart. Now, for my secret fertilizer mix: 1 part compost, 1 tablespoon wood ash for potassium, 1 tablespoon rice water or banana peel tea weekly. Keep the soil damp, not soggy. Chard loves moisture, but hates flooding. Harvest in 5 weeks, and keep harvesting. In 30 to 35 days, outer leaves reach 8 to 10 inches. Don't pull the whole plant, just snip mature leaves, and leave the center intact. Within a week it grows back stronger. One plant can give you 10 or more harvests if fed right. So, how do you turn it into profit? A single 4x4 bed can yield up to 6 kilograms. That's 13 pounds of fresh Swiss chard per month. At local market prices, that's steady, recurring income with minimal space or input. Restaurants, smoothie bars, and home cooks love it because it stays fresh longer than spinach. If you're tight on space, use 5-gallon buckets. 5 plants can still pay for their soil mix in a month. Bonus: soil health payoff. Chard's deep taproots loosen compacted soil, pull minerals up, and leave organic matter behind. So when you rotate it out, the next crop starts on rich, well-aerated ground. No digging, no extra compost needed. So if you've been waiting to start a small garden that pays you back, Swiss chard is your 5-week ticket. Fast, forgiving, and full of profit potential. From balcony growers to backyard farmers. Subscribe to Decoded, where soil science meets smart growing.